Now let's explore more about standardization. So normalization versus standardization. Data normalization and data standardization are two commonly used methods for dealing with the data that cannot easily be analyzed. Both ways are used to transform data into a more uniform and consistent format, but they differ in how they achieve this. So, data normalization typically involves scaling data down to a smaller range of values, such as between 0 and 1 or minus 1 to 1. Whereas data standardization, data standardization, on the other hand, transforms data with a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1, or with 1 unit standard deviation. So again, I'm repeating the difference between normalization and standardization. Data normalization typically involves scaling data down to a smaller range of values, such as between 0 and 1. Whereas data standardization, on the other hand, transforms data with a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. So the next question is, so which method we should use? What's the purpose of data standardization? These are the questions that arise in your brain after listening the normalization versus standardization. So to answer to your question, which method should you use? Depending on what outcomes you need with it. Data standardization is likely the best option if you need to compare data from different sources. If you want to ensure all your data is in the same format, then data normalization may be the better choice. So let me put it into the writing so that it would be very easy. So standardization is better choice if you need to compare compare data from different sources. And if you want, and normalization, if you want to ensure all your data is in the same format, then data normalization may be the better choice. That's it. So what's the data standardization example? Data standardization is converting data into a standard format that computers can easily understand and use. For example, when you standardize data, you might convert all your measurements into the metric system, or all dates into a single format, such as this: year, month, day. So what is the purpose of data standardization? The primary purpose of data standardization is to improve data quality, reduce costs, and better decision making. Data standardization can also help to enhance communication and collaboration between different teams and departments.